Welcome to aminacademy.com. In material science and engineering, let us discuss about some solving problem regarding structure of crystalline solids. Look at this example. Determine the volume of FCC unit cell in terms of the atomic radius R. Here, one unit cell of FCC is given. This is the side of the cube is A. Here also A side length. And in FCC unit cell illustrated here, the atoms touch one another across a diagonal face of the cube, the length of which is 4r. Look at here, this here r, this radius is 2r. Totally length of diagonal 4 times the atomic radius. Now look at this here by right triangle in right triangle a squared by Pythagoras, a squared plus a squared equal to 4r the square. Now 2a square equal to 16r square. Then a square equal to 16r squared by 2 is 8r square. Therefore a equal 2 root 2 r. 8 square root of 8 is 2 root 2 r. Therefore we can say in FCC unit cell, FCC unit cell, VC, calculate VC is, A cube. A cube is, that is 2 root 2 r the cube, which is equal, therefore VC equal 2 cube is 8 square root of 2, that is 16 root 2 r cube. Therefore volume of FCC unit cell in terms of atomic radius is 16 root 2 r cube. Next question. Calculate atomic packing factor for FCC crystal structure. Your atomic packing factor APF is equal volume of atoms in unit cell, volume of atoms in unit cell over total unit cell volume. Total unit cell volume. Here that is Vs over Vc. Both the total atoms and unit cell volumes may be calculated in terms of the atomic radius r. Then Vs equal 4 into 4 by 3 by r cube, volume of sphere. 4 atoms are there, therefore 16 by 3 by r cube. Then Vc, unit cell volume, equal to 16 for FCC center, 16 root 2 r cube. Then atomic packing factor APF equal Vs by Vc is equal 16 by 3 pi r cube, that is capital R, you can use it, over 16 root 2 r cube. R cube cut. So we have the remainder. This the 16 also cut. Pi over 3 root 2. Pi over 3 root 2, which is approximately equal 0.74 atomic packing factor or FCC crystal. Next, what is hexagonal closed packed crystalline structure, HCP? HCP, we have shown the HCP structure diagram in this section. And in this section, we will discuss the HCP unit cell in little more detail. HCP unit cell can be represented as follows. Look at here. Here, every corners of hexagonal, one atom at center faces one here. In this, inside, this is 3 atoms. Here, 7 atoms left. Totally, in this unit cell, the atoms in the middle layer are not shared with any other unit cell, while the atoms in upper and bottom layer are shared with the adjacent unit cells. The central sphere or atom in top or bottom of the layer is shared with one other unit cells. Hence, they only contribute half of its one unit cell. The atoms at the hexagonal vertices, the top and bottom of the layer are shared with 5 other unit cells. Hence, they contribute just 1/6 of its own unit cell. Using this understanding, we can compute the number of atoms per unit cell in HCP structure as follows. That means number of atoms fully contributing to the unit cell is 3. That is all in the middle layer. Number of atoms contributing half of to the unit cell is 2 into 1 top and 1 bottom atom layer respectively. The number of atoms contributing 1/6 of its unit cell, that is 6 top and 6 bottom, totally 12 layer respectively. Therefore, total number of atoms in the unit cell is, look at this, 3 plus 12 into 2 plus 16 into 12 equal this is not 12, 1 by 2. This is 1 by 2. This is 1 by 2. 1 by 2. So we have 3 plus half into 2, 16 into half. Therefore, totally it gives total, hence one unit cell of HCP structure comprises 6 atoms. Next example. Density. Example, copper has an atomic radius of 0.128 nanometer, an FCC crystal structure, and an atomic weight of 63.5 gram per mole. Compute its theoretical density and the answer with its measured density. Compare next one here. We know that density density is given in the formula N A NA copper over VC into Na. In number of, that is number of atoms, it's a 4. In phase center cubic cell, 4 atoms into 63.5 gram per mole over 16 root 2, that is VC, into 1.28. Atomic radius R here. Atomic radius is equal atomic radius is given as 1.0.28. 0.12 0.128 is given gram per mole. No, 0.128 nanometer. That nanometer is converted into, in terms of centimeter, it is 10 power minus 8. This is nanometer, it's terms of centimeter. We are converting centimeter into Avogadro number is 6.02 and 10 power 23 atoms per mole. Therefore, by calculation, which gives 8.89 gram per centimeter cube. Here nanometer of 0.128 nanometer is converted 1.28 into 10 to the power of minus 8 centimeter, because nanometer means 10 to the power minus 9. Density here actually density of copper equal 8.94 by using phase center cubic crystalline structure, that its density gives 8.89. It's very near, very close results. So far we discussed about some solving problem regarding crystalline structure of solids. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.